Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about our exports. Let's begin the question because we crossed for the first time $95 billion. Our today's question is restoring the health of every constituent sector is a must for long-term growth in exports. We have to comment on it. It means we need to provide the details about the sectors of exports and personal comment in that, and how can we make long-term export growths. So let's begin with the significance that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of growth and development, mobilization of resources. Our introduction would be recently India's merchandise exports reached all-time high of $95 billion during first quarter of financial year 2021 and 2022. When surge of second COVID-19 wave is currently present in our country, we have target of $400 billion export by the financial year of 2022 set by the Commerce Minister of our country, which is Nirmala Sitharaman. Despite India's recent export, no significant improvement seen in employment generation. Reason behind this can be easily understandable if we analyze our trade exports. What are the reasons? 20% of our India's export is related to refinery products. Export of rice increase, which is a water consuming crop and produce in water scarce areas, badly impact conditions which are already is not good, because it increase the duplication of water in our water table. Export of iron ore has been doubled, which is a raw material and which is not good for our country's resources. We also export organic and inorganic chemicals and in some engineering goods export. This pattern shows that we are exporting our raw materials or resources, which is unsustainable because it duplicates our resources. With that also fall our exports. We need to restore the health of every sector and have long term and sustainable growth in exports. What are the areas in which we need to work? Agriculture sector. Agriculture is a primary sector. We need to take balanced and sustainable approach to for increasing export from the sector. We need to focus on organic farming, focus on climate oriented crops, also need to check subsidy to avoid World Trade Organization's restrictions, which help us to be self-sufficient and self-reliant. Animal husbandry is also have a good potential, so we need to work on the export of these products. Product linked initiative and GI tag should be promoted to boost production, which also help us to reach our target, which is doubling the farmers' income by 2022. Then manufacturing sector. This is the secondary sector, and we all know that we have three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. So we discuss about the secondary sector, which is most important factor for the employment generation. So we need to boost this sector also. We need to provide particular knowledge in which Skill India program is good step. More focus and funding need to provide for the research and development. Focus on Make in India initiative. We need to establish factories and attract investment in greenfield economy. I hope you know about the greenfield economy. There are two type of economy, which are one is brownfield and one is greenfield. Also promote the use of modern technologies and labor reforms. Then we should provide such subsidies and low tax rate for the startups. Then our tertiary sector, which is service sector. This tertiary sector of economy which contribute 55% of our GDP, gross domestic product, but still we need to improve it, and government of India should also taken so many initiatives for this. We need to promote them like Skill India, new industrial policies, nursing training and so on. Then what is the way forward? We should focus on the items which we export. Government should focus on the export of finished goods. Also need to focus on export of engineering machines and equipments. Government need to make and implement policies and schemes 100% export oriented. Our conclusion would be that despite focusing and confirming out exports to few sectors, we need to diversify our basket of exports to get long term export growth, which is also helpful to achieve our 5 trillion economy target. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve and what is your thinking about the export orientation, and how can we grow this? You can provide these all details in comment section.